What a bad. Welcome to Petite Martinique and quite a rainy and a windy day, right? So much needed rain, but not one of the best times to be crossing the ocean. It's windy. All in all, it wasn't too bad. Just on the ones and twos. The fishing capital of Grenada. Of course, it's Petite Martinique. See them tuna boats out here? Enough respect, I remember that boat. Quick. Fishing. All surrounds me. Fishing. Ahead of me is Palm Beach. So Palm Beach restaurant, then we have Melodies right there. Then we continue north down to Gigi's Bar and Grill, and Miss Annette, Miss Queen, the white building with the blue roof, and around the corner is Gary's. Did I miss anyone? Maybe not, but welcome to Petite Martinique on a rainy day. Hello, Petite Saint Vincent. Hello, Union Island. You're getting your rain today. I cannot see you. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day in Petite Martinique, isn't it? Yeah. You happy for the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you told me to sleep?
Yes.
I hope you're doing the rain.
Because the rain looks nice. And I'm happy the rain falling. Yeah. Aren't you happy that the rain is falling? All of you in Petite Martinique? Some much needed water for you.